Wait, huh? Let me share. Can you see? Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is the syllabus. Okay, this is a syllabus for your professional practice, law and ethics. Okay, fine. Can you see it, right? Great. So you will get this syllabus in WhatsApp also, even in your student portal. Okay, fine. So this is your syllabus, professional practice, law and ethics. So um, so first, let me tell you why this subject is introduced to you. Why it is so important to to discuss about this professional practice, law and ethics. So what is the purpose? So basically, this course is introduced to you so that to make you to understand different to make you understand the different types of role that you are going to play, you are expected to play in future to the society as a practitioner of civil engineering profession. Okay, and also to develop some idea of the legal and practical aspect of your profession. So in future, within 2 3 years, you are going to be a engineer. But to be a professional, you require not only skill, something else also you require. Okay, so we are going to go through the very basics of that particular aspect. Why how to be a professional in any area. Fine. In this course, some basics element of civil engineering professional practice are introduced. Okay, just like you can get some idea about different role of different role of developers, then process owners, consultants, architecture, contractors, or suppliers. Fine. And this course also covers professional relationship, civic relationship, and ethical obligation for engineering practice. Okay, so now you can see this syllabus. If I'm not audible at any time, just no, you can interfere. Okay, so you can see the syllabus. It comprises of 5 modules. Okay, so first module is all about professional practice. Fine. So here, this professional practice will cover the respective roles of various stakeholders in the profession of civil engineering and factors governing the same. Okay, so different stakeholders are there in government body who will actually regulating and maintaining the quality of engineering, engineering point of view. So we're going to discuss about different stakeholders in the first module. Okay, first module. The second module is all about professional ethics. Now, what is ethics? We'll discuss in coming classes, but still, I want to share this. The ethics means what? It's actually replies your moral values. Okay, that means, in short, if for being a professional, you require very good skill for a particular area, but along with that, you have to have some moral value. That means where you are going to use your quality, where you are going to use your skill is very necessary. Whether you are going in a right path or misguided, so you have to be sure whether you're on the right path or not. So main basics idea about this course, you know you to just make you understand what is professional and how to be a professional. Fine. So I'm going to take these two part mainly, these first two module, professional practice and professional ethics. Okay, so then third and fourth is general principle of contract management. So how many contracts are there, joint virtue, tender, every basics idea about that management. Okay, contract management, all these things will be discussed in this third module. Okay, and even in the fourth module you will be um, learn about some act. Okay, some dispute act, some yeah, alternative dispute resolution. Okay, so I don't want to go in very details for particular this area because it is new to you. And this third and fourth module will be discussed, or it will be taught by Dr. Chinimuni Chaudhary ma'am. Okay, I think you have already know her. Okay, And the fifth module, this one, it is engagement of labor and different law relating to the intellectual property. So in this area, you will get to know, or you will get some idea about different act, like Industrial Dispute Act is there, Industrial Employment Act is there, okay, Women's Compensation Act 1930, 1923 is there, and very important, the RERA Act 2017 is there. Okay, so you will get some idea about different act, which should, for which is should know you. Okay, that for a particular engineer, this act must be, you have this idea about this act. It will be very needful in for your future. Okay, and one of the very most important thing, that is intellectual property. So what is intellectual property actually means, so you will get an idea about in this module only. Okay, so this is all about your professional practice, law and ethics. So overall, this is a theoretical subject. Okay, you have to get some idea about different new things, but very simple and very basic things only. Okay, that every engineer should know these things. So am I clear about the actual reason behind the syllabus? Am I clear? You can respond now. I just stop my sharing now. Hello, can you see me? Sorry, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, have you gone through the syllabus?
Sir.
Okay, great, fine. So let's start the first class. Okay, is it possible? Have you understand what is the basics reasons behind the course? If you want, I can repeat it for some time. I think you have got this right idea about that.
Yes, sir.
Great, great, great. Okay, that okay. A second. I have to unlock. Somebody want to join. Okay. Okay. So let's start the first class. Okay. So again, I want to share my screen. Wait. I'll go. Hold on. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Sir. Sir.
Okay. Great. It will take a while. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Hold on. Okay. Can you see now? Class notes is showing here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is your first class. Okay, it's a material for first class, and it will be
I can
available
see
in
two
your
screens.
student portal. Okay, so don't worry, you will get it.
Sir.
You will get it. Can you see this slide?
Okay. Sir, actually, I can see two screen. There's another screen in front of that.
Hello,
I don't know.
can't you see?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
So why? It is a problem from my side or your? I don't know. Okay. Anybody else?
I don't know too, sir.
So can anyone send? Can anyone please respond? Can anyone see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. It's visible.
Okay. So for others are visible. So maybe in your side, maybe some problem outside. Okay. So you don't worry. So you will get the notes. Okay, don't worry. Just try to listen it. Okay, and also this video will be recorded, so you will also get the recording. Fine. Please respond. Is it fine, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, okay.
Great, great. Okay. So let's discuss the first class. Okay. So the first topic of your first module, that is your stakeholders of professional practice. Okay. Fine. So before that, let's discuss what is profession and what is professional practice. Let's discuss about that. Right. Okay. So what is profession? So this is a very standard general definition for profession. Can you see? So what is profession? Professions are those occupations that require both advanced study and mastery of a specified body of knowledge, and undertake to promote, ensure, and safeguard some aspect of others' well-being. So this is a very standard definition. So in a very simple way, if I want to tell you about profession, so being a profession, what do you need? I already told you, being a profession, you need skill. First thing, you need skill. Okay, you have to be very skilled at a particular area to be a professional. But along with that, most important, you have to obey the law of the particular profession, and you have to work for the well-being of the society or well-being of the other. Then only you will be, you know, you can say yourself like I'm a professional. Okay, so this is the main reason behind it. Now, what is professional practice? So professional practice, whatever you do as a professional, this is a professional practice. Okay, so as per standard definition, the professional practice is a term which usually refer to the conduct as well as the work of someone from a specified profession. Okay, the professions are defined as occupation that need an extended period of tutoring and training. Fine. So whatever work you are doing, and if you are following the law of the particular structure, and if you are doing some work, concentrating or remembering the well-being of the society, then you can say that you are professional. Okay, understood? You can give me response yes or no.
Sir.
Okay, so it's very simple things. Okay, fine. So let's discuss about some stakeholders of professional practice. Now, what do you mean by stakeholders? Like in India or any country, you can say, or in international level or national level, there is some organization or a group of people who actually take responsibility for regulating and maintaining the quality of a particular work. Fine. So when you say profession in India or in anywhere, profession included all the work. It's not only included engineering, it included everything. Architecture, engineering work, then finance work, everything. Okay. So for every sector, for being a professional, so that the work is going on very smoothly and professional way, there is some group of people or group of organization who actually regulate and maintain the quality. Fine. So let's discuss about that. So first of all, I want to discuss about government constituting regulatory bodies. So I think you have heard this term, this University Grant Commission and All India Council for Technical Education. Okay, so in short, UGC and AICT. Okay, so I think you know. So first, anyway, I will just repeat whatever it written here. So UGC is what? It is a stationary organization, okay, established by the Act of Parliament in 1956. Okay, and what is the objective? For the coordination, determination, and maintenance of standard of the university education. Okay, and apart from providing grant to eligible universities and colleges, this UGC also advised the central and state governments on the measures which are necessary for the development of higher education. Okay, and their basic definitions are there. It functions from New Delhi as well as blah 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 is given. Okay, you just go through these notes. And there is some website is also given. It is a website for homepage of particular UGC. You can also go through this website. You can get more information about this organization. Okay, and you should know about this. Next, AICT, that is All India Council for Technical Education. So this is also an advisory body. It was act previously as an advisory body. Now, from 1987, it was given a stationary status by an act of parliament. Okay, so what do you do? So AICT grant approval for starting a new technical institution, also for introducing new courses, and for variation in the intake capacity in technical institution. Okay, so whatever I'm talking about the very beginning, this course, this engineering professional practice law and ethics, this course is introduced for you for the first time. But who have introduced this? AICT, All India Council for Technical Education. This organization are responsible for the quality management, education quality management especially for technical education. Okay, so they have going every time they are reviewing the quality of institution. Okay, so other details are here in the notes. You can go through this. Okay, also this website also is there, the home page. You can go through the home page also. So next, discuss about standard organization. So what is the purpose of standard organization? So by definition, a standard organization, or you can say standard body, or standards developing organization, or standards setting organization, whatever you say. So this is an organization whose primary objective are what? Developing, coordinating, revising, amending, reissuing, interpreting, or otherwise producing technical standards that are intended to address the needs of a particular group of affected adopters. Okay, it's a general definition for standard organization who actually define some standards of particular quality of a particular object or work. Okay, so in India, what the standard organization we have? That is Bureau of Indian Standard, in short BIS. Okay, fine. So Bureau of Indian Standard is a national standard body, okay, engaged in the preparation and implementation of standard. Also for operation of certification schemes for both products and system. Okay, so BI is also involved in multifarious activities like standard formulation, certification, product or scheme, laboratory services, international activities, okay, consumer relation, promotional activities, etc. Okay, so these are basic information about BIS. You can also go through this website. Okay, now let's thirdly and the last we'll discuss about professional bodies. So in India, or like India in different countries also, there are many organizations of different people. Okay, so to maintain and regulate professional aspect of particular area of your of particular their zone. So like first professional body that I want to mention here, the Institution of Engineers. Okay, this is a kind of one organization. So it is a national organization. Okay, so Institute of India, it is a national organization of engineers in India. So it has more than 1 million members in 15 engineering disciplines in 125 centers or chapters in India and overseas. And it is also recommended as the world's most multidisciplinary engineering professional society in engineering and technology world. Okay, and basics details are here, you can see, and you can also go through this website. So next, Indian Road Congress, in short IRC. So Indian Road Congress, it is an apex body of highway engineering. Okay, and it is established on the recommendation of Road Development Committee, which is also best known as JCAR Committee. Okay, and what is the objective of this Indian Road Congress? To maintain the quality of roads or connectivity in India. Okay, so you will hear this term IRC in transportation engineering class. Okay, next one is Institute of Internal Auditor India. So main purpose of international auditor means they will deal with the economy, deal with the finance. So money, how much money is invested, how many money have profit, like this. So mainly money related works they have managed the Institute of Internal Auditor. Okay, and this is a non-profit professional organization, and first it is started at Bombay. Okay, then it was expanded then to Delhi, Kolkata, Madras, and Bangalore, like that. So we have almost 5 centers from where this Institute of Internal Audit run. Okay, so there are basic simple definitions are there. So you can also go through this website, you can collect more information about that. So this is only introduction part. Okay, so that you can just know what is exists nearby you. Next, Council of Architecture, in short COA. So basically it is a group of architecture. It's maintain the quality and professionalism of architecture work in India. Okay, So it was first constituted by Government of India under the provision of Architects Act 1972. Okay. Besides maintaining a register for architects, it also covers the maintenance of standard, okay, and periodically of recognized qualification under the act by the way of conducting inspection through committee. So this committee always go through the inspection throughout the India, okay, by different committee members, whether the work of architecture is going in a good way or not, whether the professionality is maintaining or not, that they are going through the whole maintenance. Fine. So next is your yeah, this one the last one. So next and the last, the Engineering Council of India. So capital ECI in short. So Engineering Council of India is an apex body of engineering association in India. So we have a different and numbers of engineering association exist in India, working in different area of India. Okay, so they all are joined together in one common platform, and this common platform is what? Engineering Council of India. So Engineering Council of India is an apex body of engineering association in India, and it was established in 2002, 4th April, 4th April, and it is an apex body of engineering profession of India by coming together of a large number of professional organizations and institutions of engineers to work for the achievements of engineering profession in various disciplines and for enhancing the image of engineer in society, okay, by focusing on quality and accountability of engineer. That means the main purpose of this Engineering Council of India is what? To maintain the quality and accountability of engineers. Right. So you can also go through this website for more details. So you can also go through Google. Okay, you can go through the Google. You can search different national level organization or international level organization for maintaining professional aspect of a particular area or particular country. Okay, so for India, I'm showing only some few organization. So you can go through Google. You can find many organization like that. Okay, so you can, if you go through this website, Engineering Council of India, you will get some idea about different organization which are part of this Engineering Council of India. Okay, you will get some list of the organization. Just simply you just click on this website, you will get the information. Okay, so this is all about the first class. In this class, I just want to go through very basics of what is professional, what is profession, and what is professional practice, and what are the different regulating bodies exist for maintaining the quality of the profession. So am I audible? Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
right? So I'm just closing the sharing. Okay, just wait.